Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to upcycle this Pringles box. I'll mention all the materials I've used in the description box as always. So let's get started. First, I'm taking some white paint to prime the box. Here I'm using chalk paint, but if you don't have chalk paint, you can use acrylic paint or gesso as well. So I'm just taking a sponge and I'm gently dabbing the paint. Once I've painted the entire thing, I'm going to leave it aside to dry. Next, I'm taking my Decoupage napkin and I'm just going to take some water and apply it on the napkin like this with the help of a brush. And I'm going to tear the portion of the napkin that I want. This is completely optional, you can tear it directly. I just find it easier to tear it like this. And next I'm going to remove the extra plies. So the decoupage napkins usually come with 2 or 3 extra plies. So you gotta take it off. Next I'm going to take some decoupage glue and I'm going to paste my napkin on the surface. So first I'm applying the glue and then I'm pasting the decoupage napkin. And then I'm applying another layer of glue above the napkin. Try to do this very slowly and carefully so that the paper doesn't get wrinkles. As you can see, some portion is remaining over here, so I'm going to tear some more napkin to cover the remaining part. And I'm going to remove the plies of this as well. And paste it here like this. Next, I'm going to take some paint. Here I have mixed some acrylic paint and some chalk paint to create the color that matches my napkin. So I'm going to apply the paint onto all the white areas. Once it's done, it's looking something like this. And next it's time to apply varnish. Right now I don't have varnish with me and I can't get it anywhere. So I'm applying around 2 coats of glue on top of this. And I'm leaving it aside to dry. Once it's dry, I'm going ahead and applying some sequences for some extra bling. And I'm covering this top portion with some jute thread. And here it's ready. I absolutely love it. I'm using it to keep my paint brushes. You can use it to hold your makeup brushes, or you can also use it as a vase or just for decorative purpose. And if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos, and see you in the next video. Bye.